Welcome to a day in Costa Rica. You asked me what is the plan. So the plan today is that we need to get changed ASAP because our friend is on her way and I'm still dressed like this. Let's get ready. And that's how you get changed quickly. And now we need to get everything, all the things. Okay, so shoes are very important because we're gonna go somewhere that's quite muddy. I got the socks. Yes. One and the other. Alright, please, we need water. So it's one thing. Water, towel, sunscreen in case we need it. To be fair, I haven't been using sunscreen. Money is all around the money. Hello here. Okay, so she's here now. So we're gonna grab everything and go on an adventure. So let's go. Say hi to the camera. Hi. How are you feeling?
I'm a bit nervous. But it's nice. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I'm very happy to have a big car right now.
Okay. Yeah, and we were not so sure. There was a dog. He was quite friendly, but he was totally alone at the waterfall, so we were a little.
Oh, really?
But he seemed friendly. And we did not know. So.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Hola, ¿qué tal?
Hola. Mucho gusto.
Hola, buena.
Okay.
Ahí tenés.
Sí.
Gracias.
Buena vida, muchas gracias.
Qué hermosa.
¿Quieren un banano? ¿Les gusta?
Ajá,
Tengo bastante, sí.
Chicken.
Gracias.
Por acá.
Ay, mira, aún es Navidad acá.
Todos los días, todos los días.
Me encanta. Pura vida.
Pura vida. Sí, por acá. Todos agarran hacia la izquierda y ahí.
This is so nice. Oh, you can actually see the ocean. I did not. I was not.
I didn't see it. I was looking for it. I'm like, where?
Wow.
Oh, it's getting close.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm wondering if it's deep enough, but I think it is. So maybe it's just to like go in first and then yeah.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
We're back.
Du kan bli med meg hjem. Se meg livet og vi våkner, vi skal inn. Your hands full working with the land. Working for.
And that's a day. On some traffic. It's been like that for a little bit now. And he's finally moving. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Freedom. Time to have some food. And we got the food. Here is. Woohoo! Time to eat. And coconut, of course. And these are the views. Oh, hello. Hi. Alrighty, guys. So we're back. It's been an amazing day. Really had so much fun. But now it's time to have a tea and go to bed because I'm exhausted. We had a very nice lunch dinner. We went to see the sunset and we got talking. And I forgot to record anything. But I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you in the next video. Bye night.